In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and use the Gemini app on your Android phone so you can access some amazing features from the Gemini AI. Right now, I'm not using an Android phone. This is just an emulator that I run on my computer, but the process to install Gemini is still the same. So the first thing that you must do is that you have to go to Play Store and then search for Gemini. And after that, you have to install Google Gemini from Google LLC. Tap install and just wait for the app to be installed. So in general, the Gemini on the mobile version has the same features as the one in the desktop version, and maybe even better because it has this context capability where it can see what's going on the screen so it can give you better answer. And after that, tap open, and basically you'll be asked to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini. So you will see this this display, and you have to switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. And basically, it's going to show you some info about the setting of Gemini. Just click Use Gemini, and you are set. Now you can start using Gemini on your Android device. And of course, you can use it to ask questions, it will give you answer, create an article, summarize an email, etc. But one feature I like from the Gemini mobile is that you have access to the voice mode. So you can tap on this icon and you can talk to Gemini like you are having a normal conversation. Let me give you an example. Hi there.
Hi there. What's on your mind today?
Nothing. I'm just showing people how to install the Gemini app on their Android phone. Is there anything that you want to tell to the audience?
Sure. Here's a tip for your audience. Make sure they have the latest version of the Google app installed on their Android phones. They can check for updates in the Google Play Store. This will ensure a smoother installation process for the Gemini app.
Okay, that's amazing. I'll catch you later.
You're welcome. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.
All right, so that's just one example. And of course, there are many other things that you can do with Gemini. You can use it to do research, create a document, or create a picture. And there are many things that unfortunately I just cannot show you all of them in this short video. But basically, if you want to see more amazing Gemini AI tutorials, then you can subscribe to this channel. So here, once Gemini is available on your device, you can actually call it, or you can trigger it by pressing the home button on your phone or pressing the power button on certain Android phones. So here, I cannot do that because I'm using an emulator, but if you press and hold the home key on your phone, it will trigger Gemini. It will open the app. But for me, since I'm using emulator, then I can only access Gemini by actually opening the app. But either way, it's the same app, it's the same Gemini. So that's basically how you can access Gemini on your Android phone. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more Gemini tutorials. And thank you so much for watching this video.